Hello viewers, this is Ranjana ma'am and you are watching, yes, it's mine as well as your channel. So my ISC exam's over, now for you my ICSE students. So see what I have brought for you. Oh, I don't need to tell you, it's in the thumbnail, I always forget it. But this time it is yes, Act 3 Scene 1 because you have your Act 3 full in your first sem. So I have brought some important MCQs for your Act 3 Scene 1. So what are we waiting for? Let's start. But yes, before that, you know what's coming. If you have not subscribed to my channel up till now, please do. And don't forget to press the like button once you have seen the video. Okay, so let's start. Yeah, so welcome back. And what are we waiting for? So let's start it. I have prepared the questions from Act 3 Scene 1. The answers will be also given at the back, means once the questions are given, and after that I will give you the answer. In the meantime, I will want you to solve it yourselves and then you can check it with my answers and see how you all have fared. So let's start the first one. The Goodwins is, question number 1, the Goodwins is 1. Very dangerous flat and fatal. Number 2, a place where the carcasses of many tall ships lie buried. Actually, first one is option A, second one is option B, the third one an island, option C an island, and option D both A and B. Okay, fine. So now for the second one. The second one, this is a line from the drama. It is an extract. It is a direct speech. For here he comes in the likeness of a Jew. For here he comes in the likeness of a Jew. I know what you all must be thinking. You all must be thinking, who said this? No, I am not asking that. What am I saying? Who comes? Here he comes in the likeness of a Jew. Who comes? Option A, Antonio. Option B, Tubal. Option C, Shylock. And option D, Lorenzo. So these are your 4 options. Antonio, Tubal, Shylock, Lorenzo. Question number 3. Salarino says, then there is an inverted comma, open. That means your direct speech. There is more difference between thy flesh and hers than between. There is more difference between thy flesh and hers than between. There is more difference between thy flesh and hers than between. And now the options are A, red wine and Rhenish wine, B, jet and ivory, C, Portia and Nerissa, D, none of the above. So I'll repeat the question again. Salarino says, then within inverted commas, there is more difference between. So this is an extract. This has been taken from the book. This is a direct speech. There is more difference between thy flesh and hers than between. So you'll have to choose the correct option. A, red wine and Rhenish wine. B, jet and ivory. C, Portia and Nerissa. And D, none of the above. So 4 options. Now for your question number 4. Question number 4. What does Shylock say he would do with Antonio's flesh? What does Shylock say he would do with Antonio's flesh? He is being asked now. If Antonio is unable to pay the penalty and if Antonio is unable to pay the money, I'm sure he will not take his flesh. What is that good for? Something like this is asked to Shylock. So what does Shylock say? 1. Option A, feed the dogs. Option B, cook and eat it himself. Option C, use it as a bait to catch fish. Option D, none of the above. I'll repeat the options again. Rather, I'll repeat the question again for you all. Don't worry. What does Shylock say he would do with Antonio's flesh? That is the penalty. So what would Shylock do with Antonio's flesh? A. Feed the dogs. B. Cook and eat it himself. C. Use it as a bait to catch fish. And D. None of the above. So this was your question number 4. Now for your question number 5. Shylock is revengeful towards Antonio because. Shylock is revengeful towards Antonio because. Option A. Antonio has disgraced him. Option B. Laughed at his losses. Option C. Cooled his friends. And option D. All of the above. So I'll repeat the options again. Antonio has disgraced him. B. Laughed at his losses. C. Cooled his friends. D. All of the above. So this was your question number 5. Question number 6. Salarino. Salanio. Here comes another of the tribe. Here comes another of the tribe. Salanio says this. Who is coming? Option 1. Lorenzo. Option A. Lorenzo. Option B. Launcelot. Option C. Tubal. And option 4. The devil. Option 4. The devil. A, B, C, D. A. Lorenzo. B. Launcelot. C. Tubal. And D. The devil. Question number 7. How much had the diamond cost Shylock? How much had the diamond cost Shylock? Option A. 5,000 ducats. Option B. 4,000 ducats. Option C. 2,000 ducats. Option D. 8,000 ducats. So how much had the diamond cost Shylock? Option A. 5,000 ducats. Option B. 4,000 ducats. Option C. 2,000 ducats. And option D. 8,000 ducats. Which one is the correct answer? Now question number 8. Tubal says. So this is within inverted comma. It is a direct speech. Hath an argosy castaway coming from where? Tubal mentions it in his speech, and you all have to remember and try to find out. Try thinking. Coming from where? Hath an argosy castaway coming from. So the argosy was coming from which place? Which got cast away? A. Tripoli. B. Belmont. C. Mexico. 4. England. Tripoli, Belmont, Mexico, England. A, B, C, D, the 4 options. Now for your question number 9. How many ducats had Jessica spent in one night in Genova? How many ducats had Jessica spent in one night in Genova? Option A, 20 ducats. Option B, 30 ducats. Option C, 50 ducats. And option D, 40 ducats. So remember, Tubal coming and complaining that your daughter had spent in one night so many ducats. So how many? Option A, I repeat the options again. Option A, 20 ducats. Option B, 30 ducats. Option C, 50 ducats. And option D, 40 ducats. And now for your question number 10. This is a small scene. So question number 10, this is the last question. Tubal informs Shylock that Jessica had exchanged a ring for. So Jessica had taken her mother's ring and eloped with it. And then in Genova, she exchanges the ring for something. That means she gives the ring away and in return she takes something. What? Option A, a dog. Option B, a cat. Option C, a horse. And option D, a monkey. I'll repeat the question once again. Tubal informed Shylock that Jessica had had exchanged a ring for option A, a dog, option B, a cat, option C, a horse, and option D, a monkey. So yes, these are your 10 questions for Act 3, Scene 1. Coming up will be Act 3, Scene 2. So I'm just giving you the answers after a break. So you all can have a Kit Kat and then wait for the answers and see how much you all have scored. Yeah, welcome back. Now for your answers, you must be waiting with bated breath. Yes, you are eager to know whether you have scored a perfect 10 or not. Yeah, so I don't want you to wait anymore. Question number 1. The correct option is both A and B. Both A and B. Why? Because you all have read that Goodwin's is a very dangerous flap and fatal, where the carcasses of many tall ships lie buried. So both are correct. A is also correct and B is also correct. That is why your option D is the right one. Option D. If you all have written option D, you get a full one. Because option D says both A and B. Now for your question number 2. For here he comes in the likeness of a Jew who comes. So the answer is Shylock. Because they see Shylock approaching. So that is why they say here he comes in the likeness of a Jew. Let's say Amen, B times the devil cross it. For here we see that he comes in the likeness of a Jew. So the answer is Shylock. So the option is C. Correct option is C. Shylock. Correct option is C. Now for your third question. The answer is B. Jet and ivory. So there is more difference between thy flesh and hers. So when the comparison of flesh comes, it is jet and ivory. And red wine and Rhenish wine comes when the blood is being compared. There is more difference between your blood and hers than between red wine and Rhenish wine. So if an option comes regarding blood, then it will be red wine and Rhenish wine. Here it is about flesh and blood. So here it is, the comparison is regarding the flesh of Jessica and why is jet and ivory brought here? Because Shylock is dark, we can assume, because we already know that Jessica is very fair. Remember what Lorenzo had said regarding the handwriting, that fairer than the paper it writ is the hand. So that means Jessica is very fair. So Jessica is ivory and jet is very dark. So that means Shylock must be dark. Dark, jet and ivory. So option B is your correct answer for number 3. So number 4. What does Shylock say he would do with Antonio's flesh? So to bait fish withal. This is what he had said. This is the exact line in the book. So in that case, your option C is the correct one. Use it as a bait to catch fish. Because he had said to bait fish withal. So option C for your question number 4. For your question number 5, the correct option is all of the above. Because you know why? Because I'm a Jew. He had done all this. And why? Because I'm a Jew. So laughed, Antonio has disgraced me, laughed at my losses. This is what he had said. Cooled my friends, heated my enemies and all that. So Antonio has disgraced him. Option A, that is correct. Laughed at his losses, that is also correct. So option B is also correct. Cooled his friends is also correct. Cooled my friends, heated mine enemies. So all these 3 are correct. That is why option D is the right answer, because option D says all of the above. So for question number 5, the correct option is option D. Question number 6, Salanio. Here comes another of the tribe. Who is coming? So it is Tubal coming. And seeing Tubal, this Salanio remarks, here comes another of the tribe. A third can't be matched unless the devil himself comes in the likeness of a Jew. So these two are like as if so alike each other, you won't find a third like them unless the devil reincarnates itself and comes as a human being. So the answer is Tubal. So option C. Question number 6, the correct option is option C. Question number 7. How much had the diamond cost Shylock? Remember when he comes to know about the diamond, so what does he say? How much he had bought this diamond in Frankfurt, and how much had it cost him? 2000 ducats. That means option C, option C. So for question number 7, option C is the correct one, 2000 ducats. Question number 8. Tubal says, hath an argosy castaway coming from. So coming from which place? Tripoli. So option A. Antonio's argosies, they were scattered all around the sea in different directions. So Mexico, England, Indies and all that. Shylock had said that in Act 1, Scene 3. And this one was returning and it got lost, cast away. Now question number 9. How many ducats had Jessica spent in one night in Genoa? Your daughter spent how much? It is 4 ducats. 1 score is 20, so 4 score is 80 ducats. So option D is the correct answer. Option D, 4 ducats. 4 into 20, 80 ducats. And the last one, question number 10. Tubal informed Shylock that Jessica had exchanged a ring for. Tubal informed Shylock that Jessica had exchanged a ring for. So this ring was given to Shylock before his marriage, during their courtship period, by his wife Leah, later by his beloved, who later became his wife and Jessica's mother Leah. So, and what had she exchanged this ring for? It is a monkey. And he had said, nah, I wouldn't have given it for a wilderness of monkeys. That means a regiment of monkeys. If he had been given a regiment of monkeys also, he wouldn't have exchanged this ring. And she does it just for one monkey. So, option D. Okay, so question number 10, option D. So, just a hurricane revision and giving you the answers once again. Question 1, option D. Question 2, option C. Question 3, option B again. Question 4, option C. Question 5, option D. Question 6, option C. Question 7, option C. Question 8, option A. Question 9, option D. 4 ducats. And question 10, option D. So yes, these are your answers, and I am sure you must have scored a perfect 10 and go on scoring like this, and you're sure to get full marks in your first sem. Okay, so best of luck.